Thanks for joining us on our virtual tour of the Western Lake Superior Sanitary District's WLSSD solid waste facilities. Each of these facilities provides services that keep our communities safe and clean. WLSSD is a special purpose subdivision of the state of Minnesota with the authority to plan, operate, and regulate solid waste activities within its borders. The district has the same solid waste authority as most counties in Minnesota, but just operates in a smaller area. WLSSD makes and enforces the rules around how trash is safely collected, transported, and disposed, and ensures businesses and residents have places to bring unwanted junk for easy, proper disposal. Our solid waste transfer station at 27th Avenue West accepts waste from commercial haulers serving businesses and residents in the region. WLSSD oversees what's called an open haul system in our region, meaning the commercial waste haulers compete for business and operate their own routes. Garbage arrives in packer trucks and roll-off trucks. Each truck stops to be weighed before entering the transfer station. Drivers pause for scaling, where important information is recorded, like the name of the company, the identity of the truck and driver, the type of waste it is hauling, and most importantly, its weight. Next, the truck drives up the hill and backs into an open bay of the transfer station, indicated by the lighted beacon. The driver tips the load out onto the floor for a quick inspection. It is illegal to landfill items like hazardous waste, electronics, tires, appliances, and recyclables. If these items, with the exception of recyclables, are found in the load, they are removed and disposed of properly. Recyclables, however, are too small and would be very tricky to remove from each load. They are also highly contaminated after riding around in a garbage truck, so they head to the landfill with the rest of the trash. The driver is fined for delivering unacceptable items to the tip floor. The rest of the trash is loaded into large semi-trailers for permanent disposal at a nearby landfill. Each trailer can hold about 20 tons. Each year, WLSSD delivers 87,000 tons of trash to a local landfill. This amounts to about 15 to 20 trailers per day. The transfer station is open to licensed waste haulers Monday through Saturday. Garbage companies pay WLSSD fees per ton of waste delivered, as well as a solid waste management tax that is remitted to the state. The fees per ton pay for the landfill space and associated costs, like the buildings, equipment, and staffing. The taxes help to pay for solid waste programs at the state level, like the Minnesota Pollution Control Program's regulatory arm, and services like the Closed Landfill Program and SCORE, the Governor's Select Committee on Recycling and the Environment, a comprehensive set of laws geared towards improving the solid waste management and recycling systems in our state. SCORE also disperses grants to counties across the state and WLSSD to improve recycling. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of WLSSD solid waste facilities. It takes everyone working together to do the right thing to protect our communities. We're glad we can help. Learn more at WLSSD.com.